Your car shakes, just for a moment. Then again, something feels wrong. You press the gas. The engine hesitates. Power slips away, and then you see it. That light. The one nobody likes. Engine misfire. P0300, P0301, P0302. It sounds serious, it feels expensive, but it doesn't always have to be. Let's slow this down and talk about what these codes actually mean and what you can check yourself before stress takes over. An engine misfire happens when fuel inside a cylinder doesn't burn the way it should. Combustion loses its rhythm. Power delivery becomes uneven. The engine starts fighting itself instead of working smoothly. You feel it as shaking, rough idle, hesitation, or a sudden lack of response when you press the accelerator. The car's computer detects this imbalance and records a misfire code to point you in the right direction. When you see code P0300, it means random or multiple misfires. There isn't just one cylinder causing the issue. Something is affecting the engine as a whole. This often shows up at idle, during acceleration, or when the engine is under load. Fuel economy drops. The engine feels weak. Sometimes it even smells slightly of unburned fuel. One of the first things you can check is the spark plugs. They're small, inexpensive, and absolutely essential. Spark plugs create the ignition that burns fuel. When they wear out, combustion becomes weak or inconsistent. If a plug looks blackened, oily, cracked, or heavily worn, it can easily cause misfires. Replacing old spark plugs often restores smooth performance immediately. Next, take a look at the ignition coils. Each coil is responsible for delivering a strong spark to a spark plug. Over time, heat and vibration weaken them. A failing coil may work fine at idle but fail when you accelerate. That's why misfires often feel worse when pressing the gas. Even one bad coil can trigger a P0300 code and make the engine feel unstable. Vacuum leaks are another common cause. Your engine relies on precise airflow. When hoses crack or loosen, extra air sneaks in. The engine computer tries to adjust, but combustion becomes inconsistent. This leads to misfires, rough idle, and hesitation. A soft, hissing sound or uneven idle can be a strong clue that a vacuum leak is present. Fuel quality also plays a bigger role than most people realize. Old fuel, contaminated fuel, or low fuel pressure can cause random misfires. In some cases, simply refueling with fresh, high-quality gasoline can noticeably improve engine behavior. Now let's focus on P0301. This code tells you cylinder 1 is misfiring. That's actually helpful because the problem is isolated. Instead of guessing across the entire engine, you can focus on one cylinder. Start by removing the spark plug from cylinder 1 and comparing it to the others. If it looks different, darker, wetter, or more worn, you've likely found the cause. If the spark plug looks normal, move on to the ignition coil. Swap the coil from cylinder 1 with another cylinder. Clear the code and drive the car. If the misfire moves to the new cylinder, the coil is faulty. This simple test is one of the easiest and most reliable ways to diagnose a misfire at home. If the misfire stays on cylinder 1, fuel delivery becomes the next suspect. A clogged or failing fuel injector may not deliver enough fuel for proper combustion. Sometimes an injector cleaner can help, especially if buildup is mild. In more severe cases, the injector may need replacement. P0302 works the same way, just for cylinder 2. The diagnostic steps don't change, only the location does. Check the spark plug, test the ignition coil, and evaluate the fuel injector. Comparing parts between cylinders often reveals the problem faster than any scan tool. There's one warning you should never ignore. If the check engine light is flashing, the misfire is severe. That flashing light means unburned fuel is entering the exhaust system. This can overheat and destroy the catalytic converter, turning a small issue into a very expensive repair. When the light flashes, it's telling you to stop driving and address the problem immediately. The most important thing to understand is this. A misfire code does not automatically mean engine failure. Many misfires come from basic wear and tear parts that fail quietly over time. Spark plugs wear out, coils weaken, hoses crack, fuel gets dirty. When you understand what these codes mean and what to check first, fear disappears. You stop guessing. You stop assuming the worst. You start diagnosing with confidence. Your car isn't trying to scare you, it's trying to warn you. And now you know how to listen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.